Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have...
You tell them. Tell them where. Moes in the building.
Today we have Moes. It's like Chipotle, but it's Moes.
It's Moes.
So this is our bowl. Wanna do a thumbnail, honey?
Yeah, man. I want to put it up in there.
Okay. So I have chicken, rice, black beans, cheese,
good, right?
onions, not onions, just onions, and I think that's it. Yes. And then we have some queso right here. And what do you have, honey?
I don't know why you got the same thing as me.
No, you got something different.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Well, I got chicken. I got chicken and steak.
And why are we eating Moes today, honey?
Cause it's
Fast Food Friday.
You know what I thought you had the same thing?
Yeah, you always think.
Oh, yeah.
Make sure you don't come over here.
But Moes don't sell pork, right?
Make sure you don't come over here because you're gonna piss me off today already.
First lady pissed me off today.
You're right.
Look at this. See that?
It tastes good.
Very good. That white sauce is good now?
Okay, so.
Come on, cheese. White cheese.
It is cheese.
Oh. Okay. I'm gonna eat.
Oh, and then we do have some shells they gave us. Ooh, just like Chipotle,
Yep.
but they're not charging 25 cents now.
Is what?
What else?
It's a dog.
Oh.
It's free, right?
It's free.
Wipe me down. Oh God, please. You ain't got nothing to tell me. Look at this. You ain't got nothing to tell me. I don't want to hear it. Meat soft.
And juicy.
Enjoy.
It's just like Chipotle.
It's just like, yep. What?
If you guys have Moes in your area,
So let me know.
in your area, let us know which one you like better, Chipotle or Moes.
I think we'll have a lot of Chipotle lovers. But Moes is just as good too. Right?
It's good,
Hello, welcome to Moes.
but I still love Chipotle. I don't even gonna lie.
I don't really care. I don't like food.
I went in there. Oh, these bowls was $4 each.
Yep.
They had a special. I said, wow, that's one thing. Chipotle don't have no special.
No way.
But, hey, even though Chipotle don't have special, the line be out the door.
Yep, it'd be out the door. Yep. It'd be out the door. That's one thing.
Moes was empty.
Better for me. In and out.
In and out.
Yep. Look at that.
Wow. It was like, we haven't had Moes. Let's go try Moes.
Yep.
Wait, I kid you not. The last time I had Moes,
It's a while. You had it.
probably about 8 years ago. Oh, and the pear, aka avocado, don't come from Moes.
Came from Richie. Came from Richie and Shanice. Almost the same. Actually, it is the same. But one name Moes, one name Chipotle. You want to try my chicken?
I have chicken, honey.
What you got?
I have chicken.
Okay, chicken and what?
That's it.
Oh, you don't get chicken?
I want a steak.
Oh, you want to try my steak? It's steak kind of soft. Try it.
It's soft.
Let's see how it tastes. Oh, you don't like chicken alone?
I'm wary about steak sometimes. Because sometimes it be tough.
Right there.
It's good. Like when you go to a restaurant and you ask for like a T-bone or a skirt, not skirt steak, it's T-bone or Ribeye, those are usually tender, but when they make it like this, for some reason it's tough. On to you, Pepper.
No pepper night. So what's up with y'all, man? Thanksgiving is already over, it's not even here yet. Everybody have on Christmas stuff. Y'all ready for Christmas? The Thanksgiving is basically done, and it's not even come yet. You think tastes good, man?
But you know, as soon as Halloween is over, it's automatically Christmas.
Yeah. Yep.
Why is that? I feel like they rush you. But. You want to show?
I gotta get on in the morning. Family. Question. Do y'all still put up Christmas lights, or y'all do you those things now and what everybody using now? Those, what's that thing called again, First Lady? Those little projectors. Tell me if y'all do put up Christmas light or you use the projectors, cause you know projectors is a new thing. But what y'all do? Y'all keep it the Christmas light still,
Ooh.
or projector free? Beer?
Now listen.
I ain't gonna rub it in.
Now listen. I fell in love with Chipotle's shells. Let's see how Moes is. How Moes shells is.
Very good. Iron free.
They give you free chips and salsa. At Chipotle, you have to pay for it.
Oh, wow. Okay. Come on. What? You come up?
Competition, boy. That's why you can't really help it, because it doesn't matter. If you own a business,
Yeah.
and you set up shop somewhere, let's say you own a beauty supply store, and you set up shop somewhere, and then down the block is another beauty supply store. Even though they saw you, they know that you're there, and they still come set up shop. Don't get mad. Just continue doing what you're doing. Selling your products, having great customer service. I'm gonna follow one of your things. Have great customer service. And that's it.
Yep.
Because if it's not them, it's somebody else. Because look, Chipotle was right across the street from Moes, from where we live.
Right across the street. Huh?
Moes didn't say, oh no, we can't open here because Chipotle is already there. Even though it would make sense. You know what I mean? Or like McDonald's and Wendy's. They don't care. So if you're doing something in life and you feel like somebody else is doing it, and you're like, it doesn't make any sense I do it because they're already doing it.
Yeah.
Child, please. Do you know how many beauty supply stores there are in our area alone? Think about it. How many beauty supply stores are in your area?
Yep.
If every single one of those people said, I'm not going to open up a beauty supply store because they have one, where would they be? Come on, guys. There's room for everybody to make money and everybody to grow.
Yep. Yep. Everybody like different stuff. For first day, right? They eat the food, you know? Yeah, and the bowl them bigger. It's a bigger bowl too.
It's an illusion.
Yeah.
It's the same size bowl.
They're giving the food money.
You would go to the restaurants, them, and can get it out. Why do you think that they give you refills on the soda, but they won't give you refills on the juice?
That's true.
That's good.
Why they always give refill on the soda, but not juice?
Because the soda is cheaper. You know? It's cheaper to give you refills on the soda
Yeah.
than it is on the juice.
Hmm.
Because in soda, you can get, like if they give you a large, a large soda is really this size. Okay? But because it has so much ice in it, you think it's a lot of juice, a lot of soda, but it's not. That's the size of it.
That's true.
But the juice, they don't put ice in it.
Yeah.
If you go to a store or restaurant and you ask for apple juice or orange juice or cranberry juice, anything with juice in it, they don't put ice in it. They give you the full of it. So if they give you a refill of that, you're losing money because there's no ice to absorb. You understand? And it's just cheaper to refill juice than it is. I mean soda than it is juice. I know a lot of talking today.
It is true. You chat too much. See, I ain't talking. I talk too much.
Watch yourself, you know?
I talk too much.
Or I'm still pissed off at
Pissed
you.
off, yeah. Yeah, don't piss me off here, right? Probably my first day, piss me off today.
I'm still pissed off at Richie. Oh.
Piss me off. More get enough food, man.
Sandwich?
Food milk. No. Moes, I got Moes on the food.
I love Chipotle.
What's Chipotle? No, I'm not talking about. I'm talking about bowl. Chipotle bowl is skinny. This one wide, so more food one night. That's you.
Same size.
Calm it down. Chipotle or Moes? Who give the more food?
That's true. Now that one.
Cause
It's a lot.
when I time I'm gonna tell the lady give me some more rice, but it's not food.
Family, I'm surprised you didn't say that. I was waiting for you to say, can I have some more rice, please? And when you didn't, I was like,
But now the rice is it's a lot they give us.
She gave 2 big spoons.
Is it me or serum? It's got a lot of acid in it. More acid than regular soda. That one tastes more acid than more Coca-Cola, man.
Yeah.
Chipotle won't see us again, cause first I know how to make Chipotle.
No, I remember Chipotle.
So, oh man.
I know how to make it, but it's easier to go to Chipotle.
You gonna make it now. Family. Almost forgot. Word of wisdom. Don't be too confident when someone tell you they like you. The real question is until when? Because just like the season, people change. Put it in your own word. What do you think about that, First Lady?
Good.
It's true.
People do change.
Yeah.
But people think changing is a bad thing. Sometimes changing is a good thing. No matter of fact, changing is always a good thing.
Yeah.
Okay? It's always a good thing.
Yeah.
The question is, are you going to change it to somebody who's bad or to somebody who's good? But you have to evolve. You know, I hear when people say, you forgot where you came from. I forget where I came from. I have to move from there.
Yeah.
So you met me, I was 10. I'm in my 30s now.
Yep.
When you call me on the phone, I don't want to talk about things that we talked about when we were 16, 17 years old. Let's evolve now. That's why you have some people who are stuck. You know? You call them on the phone and all they want to do is talk about high school. You guys have any friends like that? That you went to school with and you call them and every time they call you, all they want to talk about is high school. Oh, how is this person?
Everyone go on Facebook, go look.
Where is that person?
Go look on Facebook.
Remember school? And don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with talking about your past. But every time I talk to you on the phone, you don't have nothing else to think about, but you just keep on thinking about when you was in high school. Oh, how was this person?
High school was the days, girl. High school was a turnip days. If I could do high school over again, I'd do high school over again. High school was fun time.
If I could do high school over again, I would do it at a different school.
Oh, you do a different school, see?
Yeah, but What I'm saying is, not every time, if I haven't spoken to you in years, and every time I get on the phone with you, every single conversation is about what happened in 10th grade, 11th grade. You ask me, where's this person? Where's that person? Blah, 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 blah. It's like, come on. Talk about what's been going on in your life. I'm older now. I have a family. You know, I'm trying to do, you know what I mean? Yeah. You gotta evolve.
Yep. Sure said. Boy, nice. And they gave him gravy too.
So,
That's true. 6 o'clock, don't forget. We gonna be there.
Tom.
We gonna be there this time. We gonna be there this time. We ain't got nothing planned. And whatever we got planned, it's canceled. So don't worry, we gonna be there this time at 6 o'clock, okay?
The family is saying to themselves, whatever.
We gonna be there. Promise y'all. Right, first lady?
Every video you gotta say, every Friday you gotta say, 6 o'clock.
Listen, the family
And it's a
said.
hit or miss. Listen,
Family
I'm
said,
sorry.
business come first, business before pleasure, you know? If you gotta take care, you gotta take care. You understand? They understand that. So, we'll be there, 6 o'clock.
I was almost gonna say, honey, don't say it to them because they're gonna look at us like this.
I did it, man. Rice is fluffy. You bust. Piss me off.
Richie missed out, guys. That's why he mad. He didn't get his PlayStation.
Chat too much.
I'm gonna tell you guys all the business. He pissed off. He didn't get his PlayStation.
They tripping. They know they need to have more PlayStation out, and they know people all over the world want PlayStation. That's all good. I'll get it.
He pissed, guys.
That's my little stuff, you know. When I'm home, I gotta play my game, you know.
Alright, family. I'm full.
That was good. I ain't lying. It was good.
Most was good. I'm just
It
full.
was good.
I have one more shell left.
Put it down without eating for breakfast in the morning. Yep. Don't forget to like. We shared. See? Gone. Subscribe if you're new. And welcome to the Greedy Couple. And they are First Lady.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers. Weird. I don't know if dirty.
I'm all nice, man. You see, I'm all could be.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye.
Bye.